तो कैसे बच्चे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं आपके सलोन में?
Nee, the kind of products also have to be like that. Na, I can't use L'Oreal, Lakme, and like that. Those are harsh chemicals. One mother's problem might be every mother's problem, and our objective is to make it pleasurable experience.
So when you started this, सबसे ज़्यादा challenging क्या था?
The barbers were also like, we don't take any responsibility. मतलब your kid is your responsibility, and any cuts happen or anything, that is not our stuff. Then my kids got a few cuts also, ठीक है, and they were crying throughout. Then overall it was a very bad experience.
और एक चीज़ है कि बच्चों की स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होती है, तो जब हम डेयरी के प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज करते हो तो दैट इज completely different.
We use the best. It should be unquestionable कि
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्टोरीज विद पूजा। बच्चों का हेयर कट यानी मॉम्स का स्ट्रेस, हर एक पेरेंट को इस स्ट्रेस से गुजरना ही पड़ता है। तो इसका सॉल्यूशन लेकर आए हैं कैंडी किड्स सैलून। यहाँ का जो एनवायरनमेंट है, वहां पर पहुंचकर बच्चे अपने डर को भूलकर एक स्ट्रेस फ्री और एंजॉयबल एनवायरनमेंट में पहुंच जाते हैं। तो इसके बारे में हम और जानेंगे वहां के फाउंडर अर्पित जी से। Hello and welcome, Arpit. How are you?
I'm all cool. Thanks for inviting me to your show.
Okay, great. So शुरू करते हैं कि ये इतना यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया? How did you think about it first of all?
Okay. So it all happened like ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि जब खुद पे गुजरती है that like you know experience is the best teacher. So like that only happened with me कि when my kids were born or everybody's kids are like you know दिल का टुकड़ा होता है सबके बच्चे. So after 1 year happened, then जो भी मतलब all family members, दादी जी, नानी जी, everyone was like मुंडन कब करा रहे हो, कब बाल कटा रहे हो, हमारे हिसाब से इतने बार तो होना चाहिए, कटना चाहिए. Then मैंने बोला चलो कराते हैं. Then family was like थोड़ा we have modern thoughts and everything, तो we were like कि नहीं अच्छे, we will take them to a good place and बच्चे जहाँ comfortable होंगे ऐसे अच्छे से कराएंगे. तो then I took them to a very reputed salon and I wanted to get their haircut so that you know कि ये क्या मंदिर वंदिर जाके पता नहीं कैसे कटाते हैं, कौन सा ब्लेड लेते हैं, मतलब हाउ डू दे डू इट. आई डोंट वांट लाइक दैट. आई वांट मोस्ट हाइजीनिक, वेरी गुड स्टफ. बट देन व्हेन आई एक्चुअली गॉट देयर हेयर कट डन, देन व्हेन दे सॉ द सिजर्स, द एनवायरनमेंट, द एवरीथिंग, दे गॉट वेरी स्केर्ड. सो they started crying immediately. फिर the barbers were also like, we don't take any responsibility. ये हो गया तो हम लोग को क्या है, मतलब your kid is your responsibility and any cuts happen or anything, that is not our stuff. तो but still there was like, I was like कि ये लोग तो करते ही होंगे, ये लोग प्रोफेशनल है. तो I went forward with it. Then my kids got a few cuts also, ठीक है, and they were crying throughout. Then overall it was a very bad experience. So then when I came home, I thought कि this problem would like, this is one mother's problem might be every mother's problem. And whenever I used to travel abroad, there were specific salon for kids and everything. So then I started like this thing should be there in Raipur also. So that's how that idea emerged to me and we went forward.
और very nice thought, क्योंकि हर एक पेरेंट को, जितने मतलब जिन जिन के बच्चे हैं, हर कोई रिलेट कर पाएगा, क्योंकि सब इस चीज से गुजरते हैं. अपने बच्चे को इतना रोते हुए देखना हर एक पेरेंट के लिए मुश्किल होता है.
नहीं, the kind of products also have to be like that ना. I can't use L'Oreal, Lakme and like that. Those are harsh chemicals. मतलब अपन लोग जब जाते हैं, we purchase like doctor से पूछ के by which medicated brand, which brand. Like otherwise moms are so particular, and when they go to salon, nobody is asking कि which products you are using, what you are doing. So हाँ, तो I feel कि every mom, every parent would want this for their kids. So that's why it started.
So how was your life before Candy's Kids Salon?
Like my father has 2 daughters.
Achha.
So he had always made us like you have to work and like Kiran Bedi is your inspiration and you should always be working and doing and like that. So he left no stone unturned in my education, and he was always supportive of all my ideas and everything. So when I discussed with him, I discussed with my husband, and everybody was
Happy.
very supportive.
So they had confidence that this idea is surely going to work.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And इसके पहले भी जैसे आपको लगा था कि अपना खुद का कुछ शुरू करना है, because you were a CA.
Yeah. Before this also, like before my marriage also, I was working in project financing. I had completed my chartered accountancy from Mumbai.
Yeah.
So I have always been working. So after my marriage also, I was working, but after the kids happened, so then ऐसा हो जाता है, this is a mom's brain that your whole thinking shifts.
Everything
So
changes.
this venture is a kind mix of my product of my CA mind and you know, and mom's mind that cares about the kids. So yeah.
So when you started this, सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग क्या था?
सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग was like to get the right people to work for you, like finding the right barbers. They have to be a combination of very experienced people, plus they should be friendly with kids, and they should be kids should like them as soon as they see them. So that was the biggest challenge, because barbers, they don't want to take responsibility and this and that. So I think I had at least 30-40 people I had interviewed, and then kept someone who goes okay with the kids, and he's that much confident, and the kids also have to like you. So that was the most challenging.
So ऐसे बाबर्स मिले आपको रायपुर में?
No, I got them from Maharashtra here. मतलब I that was a tedious search.
Definitely.
But yes, eventually I got them.
Because सारा मेन फोकस तो उन्हीं पे होता है ना, लाइक अगर बार्बर अच्छे हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स बच्चे कंफर्टेबल रहेंगे, मदर्स कंफर्टेबल रहेंगी, अदरवाइज तो फिर जितना भी हम डेकोर कर ले, कुछ कर ले, बट फायदा नहीं होगा.
Yes. नहीं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना बंदा होना चाहिए ना, कि yes, I have this much experience and I am responsible, this will not happen and everything. So, but yes, after a lot of interviews and this and that, you won't believe it took 5 months to get a right person. That much how is this industry? Like all barbers are like कि हो गया तो हो गया, इसमें what should हम क्या करें and everything ना, तो no, like this is your responsibility. And हाँ, so that was the most like tedious.
About the interiors then, second important interior हो जाता है. So कैसे बच्चे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं आपके सैलून में आके?
We have used a lot of colors inside. With the kind of chairs, it's like it's a car. It's a working car. If I'll take it out of that chair, it will drive. Yeah, it will drive. So they're like cars. Plus we have kept tabs, so the kids can see their favorite cartoons, enjoy their favorite music. We got a library.
Okay.
We got a play area for the kids. So like ऐसा होता है कि बच्चा 15 minutes कटा रहा है and half an hour he is just comfortable in that environment.
So you also provide some snacks and all.
Yeah, we do. Like as the kid wants, like that.
That is also nice.
Yeah, but some kids come for that only.
हाँ.
कि हमको जाते समय ये मिलता है, वहाँ ये मिलता है and everything.
हाँ, very nice. तो यही चीजें होती हैं.
Yeah, people come all the way from Bhilai and yeah, like people come from far away also. So, but the kid is like, I want to get cut here only.
तो है.
So I consider that as a success कि मतलब I have achieved what I wanted to achieve. The kid should not be scared of a cut, and if the kid is voluntarily saying कि I want to, हाँ मुझे cut कराना है, so that is like my objective is achieved.
So kids are very unpredictable. So जब कोई बच्चा आपके सलून में पहली बार एंटर हो रहा होता है तो क्या होता है? How is this?
नहीं, some kids are there जो नहीं करवाते, ठीक है. हाँ, there are some कि scissors, मतलब they are pre, उनका second या third cut होता है mostly. First time वाले तो ऐसे नहीं होते, but कुछ बच्चे रहती है. Like even my daughter, for example, even after all the distraction, she still cries only.
उनके माइंड में वो फर्स्ट हेयर कट आ रहा था.
हाँ, first haircut or even like this is my hair, why is there a need to cut at all? ठीक है, what is happening in general? Like I have two kids, ठीक है, they are twins, so now I know कि each kid is different. ठीक है, like my son is like okay मैं बैठ गया and he likes getting his haircut, and my daughter she cries a lot. She's like why are you cutting my hair? They are three.
Still she cries.
Yeah, still she cries or she's apprehensive of these scissors and everything. Ki I don't want to cut my hair and like that. So some kids are naturally scared and everything. So कभी भी ऐसा होता है parents लोग बोल के बैठ के करा लो क्योंकि it sometimes आँख में लग जाते हैं बाल तो it's very necessary to get it cut. So sometimes in that, but our objective is to make it pleasurable experience. Each kid is different, so like how it goes. Like a kid will cry only, no matter how good a doctor's clinic is. But a kid like scared of injection will be scared of injection. So like that.
वो तो है. सिजर लाइक के तो लग रहा है.
सबके तो natural. क्योंकि my own daughter is like that, so I can relate to that experience. कि some kids, no matter what, they'll be scared.
You have the experience on both. बेटा जो है ये scared.
At all. He'll be looking forward to coming.
Enjoy करता है.
Yes.
And जो daughter है, she's scared.
हाँ.
आप दोनों तरफ से रिलेट कर सकते हो कि किसी को एंजॉय कराना है तो कैसे कराना है और डरा हुआ बच्चा है उसे आप कैसे बेहतर
जो डरा हुआ था उसको फिर मेरे को ऐसे करना पड़ता है कि whole 2 days I have to create this माहौल घर में कि we'll go for a haircut. Okay, last time you cried, this time don't. Okay, if you will cry, then you will not get this, and there's no need to have to tell her. So now she is trained. Okay, like as of yesterday only she was saying कि I need to get my haircut and I will also go. So now she is like that. But this I'm talking when she was 1 year old, like playtime. I get that trimming from time to time. So ऐसे सीजर देख लिया तो शी इज लाइक कोई भी नई चीज देख ली तो शी इज उसका जनरल नेचर ऐसा है कि रहता है. जैसे इंसेक्ट भी देख लिया, ठीक है, या तो कभी दरवाजे नहीं खुलता तो शी इज वेरी इजी. चिल्ड्रन आर चिल्ड्रन एंड एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट. सो बट लाइक एज पेरेंट्स वी ट्राई टू मेक लाइक कि अब जैसे ब्रश करना है तो करना ही है, whether you like it or not. So similarly with haircut, you need regular trimming and everything. So you will learn across like our time, and we try to make it more better. So, but yeah, like out of the any other place you go, the kid will be most comfortable here. But he's scared. Yes, he'll be scared like on a scale of 100 somewhere. So here that scale will come down to 70-60 maybe. So we try that.
And एक ही बार आने के बाद they are so comfortable.
Yeah.
Afterwards, मतलब first time में कुछ ज़्यादा ही डरता है. In spite of all these things, तो second time, third time में वो भी उसका लग चुका.
Like my daughter's thing is gone now. She relates salon with I'll get Kushi or some cartoon. I'll get Wilson. Yeah, जो करने मिलेगा everything. So now she is looking forward. So that has been conditioned over time. Like she visited once, then she was scared. Then do a second time, then also a little bit. Then third time she's like, okay, nothing happens. I just look cool and I get to see cartoon and I get chocolate. So now she look forward to coming and visiting other. So like her other kids also.
और एक चीज है कि बच्चों की स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होती है. तो जब हम डेलिकेट प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज करते हैं तो दैट इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट.
Yes.
Yes. So क्या स्पेशल होता है प्रोडक्ट्स?
First, so we keep a variety of products. First, originally I had kept Original Struggle. It is a brand from US, so I imported that and all. But a lot of parents here didn't know about that. Like in India, Sebamed and Chico, all this is more popular. So I used to keep only Original Sprout. Then after that, now I keep a variety of other products. In fact, we have a whole shelf dedicated to that. You can choose that, and you can take also the other shop. So you can buy. We choose which one you want, which brand like that. But we use the best here. You can't use regular products like we use from adults. So we use all kids friendly, pediatrically recommended, and it has to be a established, what everybody trusts. Like Sebamed, everybody trusts. So we keep like that. It should be unquestionable. Why are you using this? That should not happen. So we keep all established, pediatrically recommended points.
And क्या ऐसा होता है कि जैसे earlier normally brands were identified maybe Himalaya, ये लोग ज़्यादा नॉर्मल पेड़ अब तो वैरायटी आ गया है। So जब कोई पेरेंट बच्चों के लिए क्या चीज़
अभी तो ठीक है
I think you should first check for it is pediatrically recommended, and what lab testing it has, which lab did you get it tested into. Like I see many stickers on brand ki children friendly, this and that, but exactly which lab accreditation do you have? Where are you, which facility are you made from? So I think parents should see all this. Like it should not be vegan, cruelty free. कुछ लोग बस ऐसे ही स्टिकर लगा देते हैं कि it is vegan, cruelty free, safe and ऐसा. But you are not putting the exact test, which lab it has been accredited and everything. So the good brands, they do write कि we are pediatrically recommended, we have got tested from this labs and everything. So moms while purchasing products should check all this. Yes.
कोई चीज़ है जो avoid करनी चाहिए बच्चों के स्किन में?
Fragrances should be avoided. Yes. Normally you see ki I have seen in most popular brands also they use fragrances quite freely. Okay, but fragrances is a huge topic. There should be oil-based fragrances, not alcohol-based, this and that. There are a lot of things in that. So I would ask moms to check the ingredient list. Parabens should not be there. Harsh chemicals should not be there. Basically, lab accreditation, if you see that is enough. This is a good lab and everything, then you can trust that. That's the labs. They do check every minute thing. Like they check it over 1 year. Yeah, the products are checked 1 year. They are tested on so many people. The proper brands have all these accreditations. So you should check for all that.
Otherwise क्या होता है पिक्चर देख के खरीदते हैं प्रिंसेस बनी है कार अपना है सोचा कुछ ठीक है ले लो
The popular brands do that, but it should be an established good brand. You check which lab it has gotten to yourself, where is it made, and कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है imported, but not even imported. It is they will say we are made here, but then you will see that it's made in Gujarat somewhere. Okay, and the name will be like that. You will feel like it is imported or something. Yeah, so all those things also happen. So yes.
So is there any product that is made in India or if कोई ऐसा product जो अच्छा हो and it is made in India?
We see right now what is popular is Sebamed and Chico, and Johnson's was popular before. Yes, You could go with Himalaya also, it is fine. You could go with Mother Sparsh has come recently. That is also doing well. Yeah, that is also, I checked the units and got okay. So, yeah, these are the Baki lot of new brands keep like I will not, some are good actually also. Like I found some local brands, I even liked it. I read the constitution and they were surprisingly very good. But they are not that famous right now. So we do keep such brands also. And जैसे कोई somebody asks people about it, what do you recommend? We recommend all that. But moms have the tendency of going with popular brands. So yes, so
some people also want to be more natural than chemical.
yes.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए फिर हमारे यहाँ जो बनता है जैसे बनता है मदर स्क्वैश
Yeah, हमारे कोई natural नहीं कर everything is because natural can't stay in bottle na for that long. Natural फिर भी हम to make that home. Yes.
जो अदर्स के लिए काफी सारे नेचुरल प्लांट्स आ रहे हैं वीगन शुगर
हाँ नहीं. I asked the doctors also about it. Ki there's this Multani mitti and this and that. Well, they told me ki it does not clean your skin, okay, and
it dries out.
Yeah. For the kids, they get this quite often, and they are prone to allergies and this and that. So they only recommended me not to go. Like you can put Uptans, you can use all that, but after that, it needs a proper bath. Yes.
Like जैसे हमारे यहाँ पर अच्छी तेल लगाते हैं
हाँ, पर तेल लगाने के बाद then they give a bath also.
then हम कल से लगाते हैं
Yeah. I myself believe in all this. I did all this, and after doing all this, then I gave them a regular bath. But कभी-कभी ऐसे होता है कि हमारे side, even in Rajasthan, they don't use soap at all. They use that multani mitti and का कुछ combination and everything. So it could be good. I have not personally used. Yes.
क्योंकि ऐसे भी है ना कई जो पुरानी चीजें वो काफी अच्छी भी होती है चीजें ठीक है कुछ चीजों में हमें चेंज करना होता है कुछ चीजें बहुत अच्छी भी होती
नहीं. I also as a mother did that कि चलो ये वाला ओपन करना है किया and after doing that open फिर normal जो डॉक्टर ने सेवामेड सब for example सेवामेड से फिर लगाया ठीक है. So as a mom I feel very satisfied. ठीक है मैंने ये भी कर लिया और ये भी कर लिया. So you know we are sorted out.
So हमारे आपके स्टाफ के कैसा है आपका स्टाफ जैसे आपने बताया it took you 5 months to have a perfect staff.
Yeah.
अब कैसा लग रहा है
Abhi, my staff is really good. I prefer कि mostly the staff is a person who has kids so that he understands like कभी-कभी ऐसे होता है कि जैसे एक adult haircut होता है तो adult knows कि I will not move and this and that, but children can move suddenly. They will hear a doorbell or they will hear कि हाँ ये some animal sound or इधर-उधर they move jobs suddenly. So I give personally sit there for 1 month and I tell them you have to anticipate all these changes and there should be mishappenings and I am very proud of this fact till now since we have completed 1 year there has been no case of any cuts, there has been no case of any reaction and that we are doing very well on that field. Some parents might have I wanted this cut or that cut, that is different issue. Waiting lines could be a different issue, but yes, there has been no mishappening, hazards, cuts, reactions, nothing like that. So that was also my objective. So I feel like yes, my objective has been completed and this was the central idea with which we had opened. So I'm very happy about it.
यही सोच के तो आपको शुरू किया था
Yes.
तो आप मेंटेन किए हुए
Yes.
So what all activities also you conduct in your school?
Sometimes we do monthly there's paper folding. We have birthday parties or we do birthday parties also. Yes, kids like that spa party and all that. We are in collab with various people who host such events when they come to our place. We had a Christmas tree decoration event during Christmas. And we keep on having such activities because we have a play area and like sitting area there. So we keep on doing such things.
अच्छा है आपके वहाँ engage हुए
हाँ.
कर सकते हैं enjoy कर सकते हैं
They look forward also. अच्छा, this month what are you doing? अच्छा, इस month क्या होने वाला है? Like that. So हाँ, we keep on. जैसे me also as a mother, when I come across something कि अभी जिसमें निकलना there was this neon paint का चल रहा था, ठीक है? So I saw, तो I was like we should do such, ये कर सकते हैं. फिर we put it on we have a board and everything. So we put there. फिर we see कि how many children are interested, and if we get we get the entry, so we do the date fix we do all that. So that is also एक side वो चलता रहता है. Physical activity, space and everything.
So what goal do you have in your mind for the upcoming years?
Of course, I want to set up more branches. Yeah, like when I opened, I got a lot of inquiries, at least 20, 30 so from different places in India. So because we are having kids and I myself don't have time for activity. Yeah. So, but yes, long-term objective is to make it a national brand and have such branches in other parts of the country.
We wish that more of your franchisee or more of your salons come up.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll have one rapid fire with you. So starting with the first one, ऐसा कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है जो हमारे मतलब को अच्छे के लिए
I think they should keep a little bottle of wash, like hand wash, body wash, because we travel with kids everywhere and kids touch everything. They want to touch everything everywhere, and then there is a time they are hungry also very often. You want to feed them every time. So like I see like I'm washing my kids' hands every 2 hours or so. So I think I should keep this thing.
आपके salon में कोई बच्चा आया हो और उसने funny line बोली
I remember one kid, he was not willing to go only. He was like, I want to make my house here. Yeah, he was like, his parents were like, chalo, जाने का time हो गया and all that, but he was very happy. So yeah, that was very, I felt very moved.
एक cartoon character almost हर बच्चे को पसंद है.
Peppa Pig. Yes, Peppa Pig is well known.
तो आप अपने दिन की शुरुआत कैसे करते हो?
I do meditation. Yes. Yeah, like a lot of my friends were telling me about it. So first I was underestimating it. I was like, what is like that? But once I started doing it in the morning, then I feel like you have achieved 50% of your day if you are starting the day with meditation. So I would recommend that.
So what do you chocolate or candy?
Candy.
Of course. Most common mistake जो parents करते हैं when they bring their child for the haircut.
Okay, so my word to the parents is ki every child is different. Okay, like even I did not anticipate about my children ki like my daughter would be scared of a haircut. So like it is okay for children to be scared, and I do understand their concerns ki like I don't like to see my child scared, but you know, you could mentally prepare them. Maybe like if you already know that they are scared, you could mentally prepare them from home कि अपन लोग तो actually कार्टून देखने जा रहे हैं, या तो अपन ये जा रहे हैं and ये देखो हेयर नीचे से खराब हो गया है या ऐसा हो गया है, ये ऐसे हो जाएगा तो तुम और सुंदर दिखोगे, something like that, prep talk like that, so that would help them. Like if you know that if your child is scared, and if not, तो फिर तो there is no need. फिर तो बच्चे खुद ही खींच के ले आते हैं.
हाँ. तो आपके सलोन में बच्चों को संभालना डिफिकल्ट होता है या कई बार उनके पेरेंट्स को संभालना भी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है?
नहीं, ज्यादातर बच्चों को संभालना डिफिकल्ट होता है. वेरी फ्यू केसेस ऑफ पेरेंट्स, बट एज अ फेलो पेरेंट आई अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, लाइक आई डोंट माइंड दैट, एंड माय थियरी, लाइक माय माइंड इज लाइक कि द पेरेंट्स आर ऑलवेज राइट. Like I would want the best for my kids, and I take it in a positive light ki okay, what suggestions do they have, and like so that helps me out a lot. Like many things I have changed at my place, taking their, because what a parent is suggesting, other parents might feel so, and there's a genuine recommendations. Okay, so I look forward to all this, and suggestions are always welcome.
Okay. One thing adults should learn from kids.
Adults should learn from kids is to live in the moment, to be happy in the moment. Like whenever a kid comes, the kid is enjoying, the kid is, relishing the moment ki okay, I've come here, enjoy. And parents their mind is somewhere else. They are not in the present. So this one thing we could really learn from the kid is like live in the present.
Correct. Very nice. So in one word, how will you describe your salon?
I would describe my salon as enjoyable, safe, and a happy place for children.
Very nice. So now, one question: how will you tell the audience कि कैसे आपका salon बच्चों के लिए, like you said, it's safe, it's comfortable, and बाकी salon से stand out होता है?
Okay, so one word I would like to say is, see, when you go to other salons also, they are quite good, like, but the kind of products that has to be used for our children, like a children's skin is very sensitive, and like I myself know, like I use any random product, they get rashes, this and that. So normal salons, they have adult products mostly. So that's why I would recommend to the parents also that this thing should be taken care of, that the kind of products that we are using for the kids, the kind of staff that is dealing with the kids. Okay, like we want to make our overall child growing experience very, children, they get scared of easy things, and that trauma that stays with them. So you need to be careful of these things, and you should try to make it happy for them, understandable, like that.
Yeah, correct. So thank you so much, Arpit, for coming in our show and joining us.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you.